Hey guys, welcome back to Loon Global Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the BLUETTI portable power station, and this is model EB55. This is the 537 watt hour version with the LiFePO4 battery, which is I believe a lithium phosphate battery. And one of the main reasons I got this is because it has the lithium phosphate battery, because they have way more lifespan than the regular lithium battery that they have in some of the other solar chargers. So this one, I believe, has 2,500 cycles. You could probably get more depending on your usage, but it's rated for 2,500 cycles. All right, let's get this bad boy out of here. There we go. Another box inside of a box again. Taking trees down one box at a time. All right. Now, sure what this second box looks like real quick before I get into that. This is the front of the other box that I took outside the box. Alright, and on there you see the main picture of it. And that. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. First open it up. Get you a little, what is this, a card, or let's see what we got. All the certificates and your guide, warranty, all the good stuff. Then let's see what we got in this little box here. You have the cables here. It's like Anderson. It goes through your solar panel. Another Anderson. This one goes to the DC port. Now, what I'm calling DC port, it's 2022 now. Back in the old days, they called this a cigarette lighter port. Okay? But now they just call it the DC port, 12-volt port. The AC cable for your power connects to your power. Get you a little tie here, cable tie, and then you have the brick. This is your charging brick. It's a little fan right here. There's some nice airflow. See what this is pulling. This is outputting about 25.2 volts. This is 8 amps. Okay. Now this power station here supports dual charging, so you can charge it off solar power and your wall outlet at the same time for a quicker recharge time. Alright, let's get this out of here. It's all in here. And this bag like this, it has a little handle on it. You guys can carry it around. And on the top is your wireless charging. Max output of 15 watts right here. If I can get closer. Right there. Now let's go to the front of this bad boy. You can see the other DC port here. Two other ports there. And then you get the input, the Anderson, and another DC port or adapter. And you got the USB-C right here. The regular USB 8. There's 4 of these. And you have your regular AC outlets. There's 4. There's 2 with a grounding, and then 2 regular without the grounding on it. Okay. The side here, good airflow for the fan here. The other side, you can see, you can keep the airflow going, so you keep it from overheating. And we get on the back, and this is the light on the back here. There we go. Wow. I'm trying to keep it out of the camera shot here. See, it has 2 brightness, then it has a SOS on it. Turn that off here. Don't want to mess up my shot here. So you can turn each section on individually. You can see the AC outlets or the USB. There's a power button for each side you can turn on specifically if you want. You can see there's a button here, there's one here, there's one up here. So you can turn on whichever side you want to use basically. Okay? And it goes in percentage that it says on this main screen. It doesn't tell you how much power it's using. It'll tell you how much percentage is left while you're using this specific solar generator here. Now this is for backup. This is for emergencies. You know, I live in Florida, so I'm trying to prepare for all emergencies. You never know, the storm, thunderstorm, hurricane, whatever, they'll take your power out. And you need to either recharge your phone or, you know, recharge your laptop, whatever it may be. So you have to be prepared. So this is why I got this, because you can charge it with a solar panel. So power shut off, you got a solar panel, you can keep it charged, and you can keep going. You can keep your phone on, you can keep your laptop on, whatever, all the USB devices you have, whatever you need to keep going in that situation, this will come in handy. And you must have very specific devices if you're going to use this. This is only 537 watt hours. Okay, the peak output of this is about 400 watts. There's certain things you cannot use on here, so you have to be very specific when you pick devices to use on here. Okay, if you're going to use this, make sure you buy devices that can work with this, or buy a higher rated model with higher voltage, you know, and higher outputs. But these 4, it tells you right here, can do about 700 watts. These 4 outlets here. Okay, so make sure that you get any electronics that you're going to use have a specific, uses the specific amount of watts. Okay, so you guys got to be real sure, or please get a higher watt or higher voltage solar generator. So, you know, you guys got to do that. Now, I'm not gonna plug in because I have a USB fan. I got USB lights. You know, I can plug my phone in, but I'm not gonna plug these in right now because I don't want to make the video any longer. But I will be making a separate video of me plugging in my USB fan, my USB lights, my phone, any USB device I have that I can charge on here, you know, get some power. Right now I'm getting low wattage devices, so those are not in yet, but so I can't test those right now. But I'm getting low wattage devices. I'm gonna get a low wattage coffee maker, you know, stuff like that. and I'm gonna see if I can run a fan. I have a small fan, but I don't know if I can run it. I'm gonna plug that in too, so it's gonna be on a separate video. I don't want to make this video any longer. Okay, so hopefully this unboxing was helpful, gave you a lot of information. I'll see you guys on the next video, so subscribe, stay tuned. Okay, so have a great day. Bye bye now.